First, I'm going in and applying foundation all over the face and under eye concealer just to really brighten things up and give me a clean canvas to work with. Next, I'm going in with an angled eyeliner brush and some black face paint and filling in my brows to create sort of that comic book look. Next, I'm going in with a bright yellow eyeshadow and applying that all over my eyelids up into the crease and just blending that out. You don't have to be super precise here because you want it to look dramatic like a comic book or cartoon character would. Next, I'm going in with black liquid eyeliner and creating a prominent winged look on both eyelids. After that, I'm using an angled eyeliner pen and applying black eyeliner on the inner bottom rim of my eyes and applying black mascara. The next few clips unfortunately didn't make it because my camera died, but what I did was I took the black eyeliner and created lines on my forehead, cheekbones, chin, and nose to really define out the face. Next, I'm using a white liquid eyeshadow and using the tip of it to create dots above my cheekbone and below it. Now I'm going in with a bright pink lipstick and applying that all over the lips. And then I am going to outline that with that same black eyeliner just to further define it, give it that comic book look. White eyeliner on top of the lips just to give it more of a real look, and I also added white eyeliner around the black lines on my face. Using that same black eyeliner, I'm now creating the tears underneath my eye. So essentially I'm just creating two semicircles and then a teardrop below that, and then I'm going to fill that in with a bright blue shade. Hope you enjoyed this fun pop art makeup Halloween look. Head to the blog for all the products used and further details, and don't forget to subscribe.